How to change a photo on WhatsApp on Android. In this video, I will show you how to change your photo on WhatsApp using Android. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. At the top of the Settings page, tap your profile to open your account information. Now, tap your current profile picture. You'll see a camera icon or an option to edit your photo. Tap it, and you'll be given options to choose a photo from your gallery or take a new picture with your camera. If you're selecting a photo from your gallery, choose the image you want to use. You can then adjust the position and crop the photo if needed. Once you're happy with it, tap Done or Save. Your new profile picture will now appear on your WhatsApp account. So that is how to change a photo on WhatsApp on Android. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.